Thanks, guys. Yes, I am in Northern Ireland's busy city centre, and the city is just so full of life and energy. But hopefully you can hear me due to the noise of the bustling people and traffic behind me. As we are leading up to Christmas, the city is getting more and more lively as there is just so much going on. Shoppers are definitely looking forward to Christmas as they juggle their bags of gifts for their loved ones. And it's predicted that high street stores are going to face a lot of queuing from eager shoppers over the coming weeks. The Christmas market opened on Monday and shoppers have been thrilled, from international food to the purchasing of presents. It has certainly been the heart of Belfast's social life leading up to Christmas, although this has led to an increase of traffic across the city, making it just that bit more trickier to finding a parking space. The city is feeling more festive than ever, with the transformation of many iconic spots just in time for the holidays. And with so many luxurious restaurants and pubs being booked up until New Year's Eve, this has made it the perfect place to enjoy a drink and a meal with your friends and family. And with so many spots across the city buzzing with life, back to you in the studio.